Good morning. This is December 23rd. We're under a blizzard warning until Saturday, South Bend, Indiana. The time is 7:12 in the morning. Really blowing out. Colder than you know what. Snow's real light. But check out this video. Temperature right now is minus 4 degrees below. Feels like minus 28 degrees below. Wind chill. Check it out, everybody. Not a whole lot of snow, but I guess the wind's going to pick up even more today, where there'll be whiteout conditions, and you won't be able to drive a car. Yep, everybody wanted snow. They got it. Kids got their snow for the Christmas break. And you know, it's cold out, and it's snowy out. But you know what? It's wintertime. We can handle it. We sure can handle it. We're big people. Big boys and girls. Talking maybe 50 start of the year. Start of January, 50 degrees. Yep. Thought I'd make this. I'll put this out. Everybody can check it out. And check out Randy Knable YouTube channel. Don't be sorry you do. You did. I only put the best out. Yeah, they're talking. Right now, I don't think this is lake effect snow, but they're talking, this is system snow right now, and they're talking lake effect snow moving in. And they're saying a grand total of South Bend area about maybe 10 to 12 inches, give or take. And up in Michigan, we live in Indiana. We live in Indiana on the state line, Indiana side. But up in Michigan, another 30 miles up St. Joe, Michigan, up in that area by the lake, they're talking maybe up to 20 inches of snow, give or take. Wind's howling though. Sure is. I like putting these videos out. I got all kinds of videos. So check out Randy Knable YouTube channel. Trans Am videos, Lake Michigan videos, you name it. Our beloved boy Bandit 2 videos. Poor kid passed away this year, January 10th of this year. And put down a comment, put down a like. Right here at the house, it shows 4 below, but you know, it's got to be colder out away from the house there. You know it's got to be. Take a gander to the front door, front of the house, by the street. Yeah, Linda's got a full tank of gas. I got a full tank of gas. Old gas is cheap now, too. Isn't that great? Wasn't that a nice Christmas present? Gas being so cheap. Yep. I hear you, everybody. Country's looking up now. Country's looking up. Things are getting better. Prices are coming down. But enjoy this clip. I'll be putting some more out. Maybe put another one out later today. Okay, everybody be good. Stay warm. Stay safe. And Merry Christmas to all, and Happy New Year's to everybody. Wishing everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. And be good to people too, you know. Be good to your friends. Be good to your friends from work. Good old friends from work. Respect everybody. Treat them like you want to be treated. But anyway, everybody, Merry Christmas. Take care, everybody. Until the next one. See ya. Bye.